Coughing. First draft, August 3rd, 2002. Revised December 3rd, 2022. When we first met 10 months ago, she said with a proud head toss, "I haven't coughed for 50 years. When I was a child," she whispered, "my uncle demanded that I be quiet completely, not even to cough, and since then, I haven't coughed." Earlier today at the checkout counter in Kmart, we were stunned when a mini tornado shattered a display window and blew open the front doors. She quickly pulled me down to the floor. We were unhurt, but while driving home, she released a phlegmy throat rattle and turned to me saying, "I coughed. My feet are wet and cold," and then railed at the car's air conditioning. Later, rejecting my suggesting she'd be better off in bed, she muttered that although exhausted, finishing her ironing is a must. When again she coughed a chesty, lusty outburst, I applauded this God-sent gift, being pardoned from captivity in a martyred suppression of the need for autonomic pulmonary rescues. Although I exulted in her finally being free to hack to her heart's content, she was adamant, and so far hasn't coughed again.